Water Spitter, an innovative way to clean laundry. We are people from different worlds. Whether you are fishing or doing household activities, taking care of your cleanliness is important for you and others. There are moments, though, when life gets in the way of that, such as wanting to show off your new catch or needing to quickly refresh your washcloths and cleaning supplies. You need something that is quick, easy, and portable. We present to you a new prosthetic washing machine, accessible wherever you are and at whatever time you need. All it takes is loading your clothes or cloths in, water, and one press of a button. The Water Spitter takes 2 liters of water. Whether you need a 10, a 15, or 20-minute wash, the Water Spitter is available to be adjusted to any of your cleaning needs and can be drained easily through the opening of a valve or automatically. The choice is yours. After your clothes are done washing, the Water Spitter can spin dry your items for 10 or 15 minutes. Or dry for 120, 180, or 300 minutes. Easy to work and easy to carry. This washing machine will solve all your problems at home or on the go. With several washing modes and drying capability, this machine allows you to quickly and efficiently clean your linens. Taking up minimal space and being easily accessible is what 2020 is all about. Don't miss out on your opportunity to own this washing machine. We care for you and for your cleanliness.
My name is Morus, and I'm dry. And this is the Morus Zero. It's a dryer from the future. It might just be the fastest, gentlest dryer on Earth.
Which is good, because I've got to be somewhere in 20 minutes, and this just happened.
Thankfully, the Morus Zero uses vacuum technology. No, not that vacuum, space vacuum. Because just like in outer space, the water inside Morus evaporates at a lower temperature, thus requiring less heat and energy to vaporize. Combined with its infrared heating system, it can dry your clothes in as little as 15 minutes. The world needs this.
Sure, I like kicking it at the laundromat every Friday night. But what am I supposed to do when all the machines are full? And I also don't need to be judged for my awesome underwear. Why be here when you could be here, safely doing laundry in the comfort of your own home? And I do mean safely, because the Morus Zero uses a moisture sensor system that detects when drying is finished and automatically turns off the device. Say goodbye to overheating, energy waste, shrinkage, and germs. Thanks to ultraviolet cleaning, Morus eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria, so your clothes come out as fresh as newly harvested pistachios.
Taking the Morus Zero on the go with you is as easy as pie.
Sweetie, we're on vacation. Do you have to do this now?
Oops. Sorry, honey.
But seriously, this thing is pretty nifty. Its compact body makes it easy to move around, and because it's ventless, there's no need for complicated pipe setups or installation. And when the detachable tank is full, you just remove it, dump the water, and it's good to go. It is so handy. I don't know which Morus I love more.
So there you have it. A future where drying is faster, greener, and safer than ever before. So back us today, and you'll be the first to receive your very own at an exclusive discounted price.